What you're seeing here is someone's very dirty shoe, and I'm sure a lot of you have a very similar pair yourselves. But don't you worry, because I'm going to show you how to restore them by doing something called hydrodipping. So my people, grab your finest pair of dusty Air Force Ones in the back of your cupboard and join in. You see, this is the poor man's version. Look how ugly this is. Anyway, without further ado, I've got the shoe, now let's get the supplies. Awkward recording in the store done. And let's clean the shit out of this shoe.
Perfect.
Grab a big bucket, fill it up with water, and spray.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And that's it guys, restored. It's not the cleanest of hydro dips, but it actually did come out quite clean. You can go for any pattern you like, and I'm quite pleased with this one. What do you guys think? Let me know down below, and head over to my Instagram to check the before and after, because it's crazy how you can ball on a budget. Also guys, if you did like the video, please subscribe, like the video, and send it to a friend. What have you got better to do in lockdown?